Today, we're going to learn how to say the D sound. This sound is everywhere in English, so of course, you want to be able to say it perfectly. Are you ready? Let's go. To make this sound, we have to place the tip of our tongue on the ridge behind the teeth. We'll vocalize, so we make a vibration in our throat and we quickly release our tongue to make the sound. D, d, d. That's it. Easy peasy. So, place the tip of your tongue on the ridge behind your teeth, vocalize, and release. D, d. And that's it. That's the perfect way to make the D sound. Let's practice, all right? Repeat after me. You ready? Here we go. Dog, dog, day, day, ladder, ladder, under, under, sad, sad, bad, bad. Awesome. Now say this sentence to continue practicing the D sound. You ready? Here we go. The dog digging in the garden made a muddy mess. Perfect. That's it. So remember, the best way to be able to say this sound perfectly is to practice making it a lot of times. Focus on making the sound by reading different texts out loud and focus on the D sound. Okay? And that's it. Now you know how to make the D sound perfectly. Keep on learning, keep on practicing. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow Crazy for English on our different social medias so you can have more practice making these sounds and perfecting your pronunciation. And if you'd like to improve your English in general, I recommend my book, 100 Phrasal Verbs and How to Use Them. It's a practical workbook for you to master 100 of the most common phrasal verbs. So, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.